Happy morning, friends. Good wishes to my students. While I was talking to you, the net connection was lost. That's why I started from the beginning. I have been receiving messages from my students. Those messages are, will Government of India or National Testing Authority will conduct the NEET examination supposed to be held on 13th September. If they will conduct, what about our safety and security? That is, what about us? In case if we will infect with corona, what about ourselves? Such type of doubts are lingering in their minds. My dear young students, stop thinking on those lines. Point number 1. Erase out whatever doubts you have in your mind with regard to coronavirus, COVID-19. Government of India is under impression. Government of India, National Testing Authority are firmly are of the opinion that examination should be conducted under any circumstances. Government of India is under impression one should live with corona only. We cannot eradicate coronavirus immediately. We will have to live with coronavirus. So by taking all precautionary measures, we must continue our schedules, we must continue our work. That's what they feel. And according to the press releases, according to the statements from the government officials of the Government of India or ministers, I have come to this conclusion. Government is firm that it is going to conduct the NEET examination on 13th September without fail. Point number 1. All students must remember, they are going to have an examination, that is NEET examination, on 13th September. Forget about the doubt. Will they conduct or not? Definitely, as it is today's position, they are going to conduct the examination. Unless and until something unexpected thing happen, they are going to conduct the examination. Point number 1. And regarding your safety and regarding to your fear of infection, forget about it. Government will take all precautionary measures. So you are a biology student. You know about corona novel virus. If you can wear mask, if you can maintain physical distance, and if you clean your hands, definitely you will not get the COVID-19 disease, or corona novel virus can't do anything. Government will take all these measures while conducting the examination. So forget about your life, forget about your safety. Government will definitely take all precautionary measures to protect children. It is government's responsibility to save the future citizens of this nation. No government will go as it is. By taking all precautionary measures only, they are going to conduct the examination. Today, in spite of the request from the opposition party, in spite of the request from chief ministers of the different states, in spite of the request from some of the MPs like Subramania Swamy Garu for postponement, Prime Minister did not speak up to now. And the Ministry of Human Resources referred to the Prime Minister. Prime Minister so far did not say anything. So definitely there will be an examination. So my dear young student, when you have these type of doubts, that will hamper and that will influence your way of preparation. When you remove all these doubts from your mind, erase all these doubts from your mind, have a free mind, peaceful mind, then you will you will prepare very well. So please erase out all these unnecessary doubts about the examination. Believe that you are going to have an examination on 13th September. Having that belief in your mind, start revising your schedules, start revising the way of pattern, and write as many online exams as possible. They are the grand test without fail. After writing the grand test, analyze the result and introspect where you make a mistake, learn from those mistakes, not to repeat that mistake in the coming examination. And so think positively, have a proper plan, go ahead. Please erase out all the doubts with regard to the conducting the examination on 13th. Definitely, as of today, government is very firm to conduct the examination, and government is also very firm to provide all safety measures, precautionary measures during the examination to both teaching community or invigilators, or also very importantly student community. So think that you are going to write an examination, think that you will be provided all safety measures for not inviting corona novel virus, and definitely you will write the examination in a better way. You will write the examinations in such a way that will make you to get into the medical college by getting admission in MBBS. Think on those lines, and please, then only you will be able to get the admission. So I'll conclude by quoting few affirmations today. So I'll say in Telugu, and listen carefully. ఈ రోజు ఏమి జరిగినా దానిని సానుకూల దృక్పథంతో ఎదుర్కొంటాను. వాట్ ఎవర్ హ్యాపెన్స్, దట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. I'll face any type of challenges with a positive attitude. I am confident. So I have belief in my capabilities. I have a lot of energy. I can face any kind of situation that is coming today. Doesn't matter. So such type of potential energy I have. So now whatever things are required, whatever amount of energy is required to get the success, I have it. I'm confident. I can face any type of situation with a positive attitude. I can face any type of unfavorable situation or challenges with my energy. And so definitely I am going to find out a way to face challenges and to overcome the obstacles because of my confidence, because of my positive attitude, because of the energy I have, because of the intelligence I have, because of the EQ I have, because of the AQ I have. Definitely I am going to achieve what I want in my life. I am going to get an admission in MBBS by cracking the NEET examination, by getting the maximum marks in the NEET examination, by scoring the best rank in the NEET examination. And I have that confidence. I am a man of positive attitude. I am a student of positive attitude. I am a person of a confidence. It is a habit for me to face the challenges, to overcome the obstacles because of the unlimited power of thinking and enormous energy I have. Definitely, I erase out all the doubts with regarding the examination. Now I am under strong impression. Now I am under strong opinion that I am going to write the examination on 13th September. That is going to be conducted by the government. And so I start revise and I start with a fresh, a new vigor and energy. I am going to get the good rank in the NEET examination by writing the examination very well. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.